Thank you so much for clicking on my everyday blowout. My name is Victoria Avila and I'm a licensed hairstylist and I have a row of hair extensions in. Comment below what you call this and where you're watching from. I call this a blow dryer or hair dryer. This technique can be done on any tool that gives you consistent airflow. The main point I want you to get is the direction in which you're blowing air into your hair. I'm not going to name any products that I use, that's personal preference, and I advise you to consult with your local hairdresser to see what hair products work for your hair type and texture. So after showering, after applying product, you'll want to rough dry your hair, essentially 80% dry, getting all the moisture out. I'll do this on clients with straight or wavy hair. My first step is getting the water out, really focusing on the ends and moving the roots around. For my extremely curly hair girls, I would skip this step and go in with a brush right away to avoid the hair expanding. Be gentle. Once most of the moisture is out, but the hair is still cool to touch, you're finally ready to pick up your brush. I didn't pack any clips, but for better control, I sectioned my hair, separating the front and the back. I want to thank you again for clicking on this video. I hope I'm explaining myself well and not rambling too much, but by making it this far, you're showing me your support and I'm thankful for that. The brush you use will depend on your hair type, density, and desired outcome. Again, pointing out to you the airflow placement to smooth hair. I suggest practicing looking in the mirror without a blow dryer, placing your brush at the scalp, and pulling away from the face to create tension like I'm showing here. If you do get your hair knotted, gently untwist the brush, still away from the face, keeping everything going in the same direction, hopefully revealing a smooth curl. Using your hair dryer and its nozzle, focus on drying the roots, then rolling down towards the mid-length and rolling upwards back towards the roots, and continue this motion to avoid knotting your hair. Repeat on the other side. Place brush on the roots to dry, roll brush down towards the mid-lengths, roll brush back up, then roll all the way to the ends and smooth, and then roll back to the roots. Give it a few seconds or click the cool shot button and then gently untwist the brush out of the hair. Let's repeat all these steps in the back. Make sure your roots are dry in the back and continue to smooth all over. Thank you, Girly Pop, for watching this video and commenting down below. Let's start up a conversation about our hair. My name is Victoria Avila, and I love talking about all things hair and makeup. Please follow my socials if you would like to see more of my content. DM me for a free consultation about your hair type and texture. Tell me about what products you like to use, and if there's any products I can recommend you for your health journey. Have a great day.